In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly set up and go live with Restream. Whether you're looking to reach your audience through multiple platforms or create professional streams, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. Let's dive right into the first steps on your Restream home screen. Begin by clicking on New Stream. This is your gateway to starting a fresh broadcasting session. Once you've done that, you have several options to choose from regarding how you'd like to stream. If you're aiming for simplicity and ease, you might opt for using the Studio, which is browser-based. This choice is great for those who prefer not to download any additional software but still want to deliver high-quality, engaging live content. Alternatively, if you're experienced with software like OBS, you might choose the encoder or RTMP option. This choice allows you to leverage powerful broadcasting software to enhance your production, giving you greater control over your stream's features and settings. There's also the option to schedule a pre-recorded video or a playlist for those times when you want to plan your content delivery in advance or if you're unavailable to go live at a specific time. Now you will need to fill in your event details. Here, you'll add the title and description for your stream. Make these captivating and clear, because this information will attract viewers. You'll also need to specify the date and time of your event. While filling this in, you might come across a handy checkbox, usually labeled Create an Event Page on Social Platforms. By selecting this, you can notify your audience ahead of time about your upcoming stream, which helps in building anticipation and ensuring that you have a good turnout. Next, it's time to decide where you'll broadcast your stream. Toggle on the channels or destinations that you want to stream to. Restream supports multiple platforms, so you can reach audiences on sites like Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and more all at once. After setting this up, click Create Event, or a similar button to finalize the scheduling. This organizes everything you've planned and lets Restream handle the rest. When it's time to go live, the process depends on the method you chose earlier. For those using the Studio, it's straightforward. Simply open up your event card and click Go Live. For those who selected the encoder option, you'll first need to copy the event's URL and stream key into your broadcasting software. Then, all that's left is to start your encoder at the scheduled time, and you'll be live on air. That wraps up the steps to creating and beginning a stream using Restream. By following these instructions, you can ensure your broadcast is smooth and reaches your audience effectively. Embrace the opportunity to engage with your audience and get your message out there seamlessly. Thanks for joining me today, and happy streaming!